All right, well, guys, I was hoping to live stream this morning, and that was the plan. What I didn't realize is that with these big Lake Michigan poles, you can't lean to one side to try to get them to maneuver around and readjust them. That causes you to flip over and lose a pole and about $50 worth of weights and get all your live streaming gear wet. So yeah, that was like the first hour out here at like in 60-degree water. So I'm down to one pole. I didn't want to fire up the tablets, and we just came in, bathroom break. I unloaded everything into the truck that needed to dry off that I wasn't going to use, and now we're going to head back out. And we got some kings that I keep servicing in front of us right in the harbor here, so we're hoping that we might be able to slay something. But unfortunately, I'll have to send you guys video, upload video and pictures of the day. I won't be live streaming. And yeah, I mean, I was on top and underneath Lake Michigan for a bit today, so interesting start to my fishing career out here. But you gotta, it happens. So I'll keep you guys up to date. Thanks for supporting the channel.